Icy Vigilia. Okay? Please repeat the question twice po para mas naintindihan po ng ating candidate. Here's the mic, candidate number 1. Thank you, Jonathan.
What specific actions or initiatives do you believe are crucial to preserving unity and solidarity within the community amidst these differences? Again, in Tagalog, ang komunidad ng LGBTQI+, tulad ng ibang mga grupo, ay nakakaranas din ng mga pagkakaunawaan sa loob ng grupo pagdating sa mga kandidato sa politika. Ano mga partikular na hakbang o inisyatiba ang sa tingin mo ay nahalaga upang mabaratili ang pagkakaisa at pagkakaisa sa loob ng komunidad sa gitna ng mga pagkakaibang ito?
Alright, first of all, Ms. Icy, right? Thank you so much for the wonderful question. So for me, my answer in regards to your question is the number one that we need is acceptance. As an LGBT, we have a contribution in our community. Yes, we are a third sex, even though we are third sex, we have a right to vote. Like for example, in every country, in political, like for example, in Mayor, President of the Philippines. And one more thing, I just want to inform you that now we have a team here, which is the Hiraya, sorry. And our leader here and president is here, Miss Chai. Hi, she is the president of Hiraya. And as an LGBT, I am proud to inform you that we have a contribution in our community.